Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to start the rest of the problems related to the tangents and normals. Question number 15. Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7 which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0 and perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x equals to 13. So first, the given equation of the curve x square minus 2x plus 7, we will get the slope of this dy by dx equals to 2x minus 2, and the tangent line is now parallel to the line. So this line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0 we convert in the form of y equal to mx plus c, and we get the gradient or slope of this line as 2. As the tangent line is parallel to the given line, so their gradients will be equal. M1 equals to M2, we equated 2x minus 2 equals to 2, we get x value equals to 2. This value of x I have substituted in equation number 1 to get the value of y, that is 7. Now the equation of a tangent line passing through the point 2, 7 and whose gradient is 2, that is y minus 7 equal to 2 into x minus 2. Final answer 2x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. And also we have to find out it is perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x equals to 13. So slope of this line, as we converted this equation y equal to mx plus c format, so m equals to 3. But the tangent line is perpendicular to this line. The tangent line will be perpendicular to the line. Then the condition is m1 into m2 equals to minus 1. So this m2, the gradient or slope of this tangent will become the reciprocal with negative sign. So minus 1 by 3. So 2x minus 2 the gradient of the curve and the gradient or slope of the tangent is equated, and we get the value of x equals to 5 by 6. Again this value x equals to 5 by 6 we substitute equation number 1 for the equation of curve to obtain the value of y, that is 217 by 36. Now the equation of tangent formula, y minus y1 equals to dy by dx into x minus x1. Here the gradient is minus 1 by 3 and the points x1 y1 is x1 is 5 by 6 and y1 is 217 by 36. So substitute the value of y1 x1 and dy by dx as minus 1 by 3, that is slope, and simplified the equation of the tangent line will be 12x plus 36y minus 227 equals to 0. Now the next question number 21. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6 which are parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. Equation of the given curve x cube plus 2x plus 6. Slope of the line, that is curve 3x square plus 2. Now we have to calculate here the equation of the normal. So normal is always perpendicular to the line. So slope of a normal is given by minus 1 upon dy by dx, as dy by dx is 3x square plus 2. So slope of a normal m1 equals to minus 1 upon dy by dx value 3x square plus 2. Now the normal is parallel to a line, this one. So we convert this equation in the form of y equal to mx plus c, and the coefficient of x will be our m2 minus 1 by 14. Since it is parallel, so the gradients will be equal. Minus 1 upon 3x square plus 2 will be equal to minus 1 by 14. After solving, we get x equals to plus minus 2. For x equals to 2, in substituting in this equation of a curve, we get the value of point 18. So the point is 2, 18. For x equals to minus 2, on substituting in this equation, we are getting the value for y as minus 6. So the second point is x1 y1 minus 2 minus 6. So here we have to find out the two equations of normal. Equations of a normal passing through a point 2, 18 and whose gradient is minus 1 by 14. So y minus y1 m2 to x minus x1 y minus 18 minus 1 by 14 x minus 2. Simplification, we get x plus 14y minus 254 equals to 0. And the equation of a normal passing through a point, second point minus 2 minus 6, and whose gradient is minus 1 by 14. After substituting the same formula, we will get x plus 14y plus 86 is equals to 0. Now the question number 25 is the most important question. Equation of the given curve is y equals to under root 3x minus 2. m1 dy by dx equals to, we will take t, 3x minus 2 equals to t. So d by dt of root t 1 by 2 root t, that is 2 under root 3x minus 2, and dt by dx के लिए 3x minus 2 का differentiation only 3. And tangent is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus 5. Again, this line will be converted in the form of y equal to mx plus c, and the gradient will be the coefficient of x and 2. Now the gradients, slopes will be equal. After equating these two slopes, we get the value of x equals to 41 by 48. And this x equals to 41 by 48, I am going to substitute in the equation of a curve. So I got the value for y 3 by 4. Now the equation of a tangent is given by the formula y minus y1 equals to dy by dx into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 3 by 4. Gradient is 2 and 2. And x minus x1 we got it as 41 by 48. So after simplifying this equation, we get 48x minus 24y equals to 23. And it is the important question. Now, here comes the next topic, that is maxima and minima of a function. Maxima and minima of the function. Through the broadcast channel, I have given you the concepts and the working rule for the finding of the maxima and minima of the function, that is the second order derivative. First, the given function we will differentiate it. After differentiating one time, we will equate it to 0 for calculating the point at maxima or minima. First, we will differentiate the given function, equate it to 0 that function, differentiation dy by dx equal to 0, get the values of x, and then again differentiate second order derivative, calculate it, and after calculating the second order derivative, what are the points you got it, that points value you have to calculate it in the second order. If the second order derivative's value at that point is positive or greater than 0, then the function will be minimum. And if it is negative, less than 0, then the function will be maxima. Let us see one of the problem. The given function is f of x 2x minus 1 the whole square plus 3. F dash x निकाले 2 into 2x minus 1 or 2x minus 1 का differentiation 2, constant 0. For getting maxima or minima, we equate f dash x equals to 0. When we equated this f dash x equation equals to 0, we get x equals to 1 by 2. That is our one point. Now we again differentiate this f dash x, we get 8. So there is no any variable now. So f dash at this point, f double dash, second order derivative value at this point is 8 only, as there is no any variable which is positive. So it is greater than 0. Then f of x will be the minimum, function will be minimum, and its minimum value will be calculated at this point 1 by 2 by putting the value in the function. F of 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 the whole square plus 3, that becomes 0, plus 3, the minimum value of this function is 3. Second question, that is the third one. The given function g of x is x cube minus 3x. Okay? We first differentiated g dash x 3x square minus 3. For maximum or minimum we equate equal to 0. We get 2 points here, x equals to plus minus 1. Then we have to differentiate again, find out the second order derivative. G double dash x is equals to 6x. When I have taken x equals to 1, so g double dash of 1 is positive, so it is minimum, and the minimum value will be calculated by putting the value of the x equals to 1 in this given function. So z of 1 will be equals to 1 का cube 1 minus 3 into 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2 is its minimum value. Now there is one more point, x equals to minus 1 पे check करें, g double dash of minus of 1 minus 6 into minus 1 minus 6 which is negative less than 0. In case of negative second order derivative at that point, then the function is maximum, and the maximum value will be getting by substituting in the given function x equals to minus 1. So minus 1 का cube minus 1, 3 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3, minus 1 plus 3 is equals to 2. So that is its maximum value. Question number 4, third question's fourth one. F of x equal to sin x minus cos x and x lies between greater than 0 and less than or equals to 2 pi. F dash x cos x plus sin x. For maximum or minimum, f dash x equal to 0, equated to 0, tan x equals to minus 1. So it can be written as minus of tan 45 degree, minus, but we want here positive angle, greater than 0. So tan 180 minus theta, as you know in class 11, it is minus tan theta. In the second quadrant and in the fourth quadrant, tan theta is negative. So tan 180 minus theta and tan 360 degree minus theta. After simplifying this, I got 3 pi by 4, 8 pi minus pi, 7 pi by 4. So our 2 points are there, 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. f डबल डैश, अब पॉइंट्स निकल जाने के बाद f डबल डैश का सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव निकालेंगे, it will become minus sin x plus cos x. Now at this point, what will be the value for the second order derivative, whether it is negative or positive? Let us check. F double dash 3 pi by 4 minus sin 3 pi by 4 plus cos 3 pi by 4. This is a simple last year simplifications, and we get the value as negative. So it is less than 0, which is negative. So the function is maxima at 3 pi by 4. What will be now its maximum value? For calculating its maximum value, we have to substitute 3 pi by 4 in the given function. So f of x will be equals to 3 pi by 4 sin 3 pi by 4 minus cos 3 pi by 4. So after again simplification, we get the maximum value at the point 3 pi by 4 of the given function is root 2. So in the same way, you have to calculate for the second point also, 7 pi by 4. What you have to do it? In the same way, you calculate f double dash of 7 pi by 4. If it is positive, it will be minima. If it will be negative, then it will be maxima. If it is maxima, calculate the maximum value by putting x 7 pi by 4 here, sin 7 pi by 4 minus cos 7 pi by 4, and if it is minima, you can substitute again and get the minimum value. Okay? Thank you. Let's move on to the question number 6. Find the maximum profit that a company can make if the profit function is given by p of x equals to 41 minus 72x minus 18x square. The same type, same procedure, p of x given first derivative p dash x minus 72 minus 36x. For maxima or minima, p dash x equal to 0. Get the value of x, that first point minus 2. Again differentiate with respect to x, second order derivative p double dash x will become equals to minus 36. So at x equals to minus 2, second order derivative will become minus, which is less than 0, negative. So p of x is maximum at x equals to minus 2. To calculate its maximum profit, we have to substitute in the given function x equals to -2 and we get our answer 113 units. It is the most important question. And another one is also the important question, question number 9. Find the maximum value of the function sin x plus cos x. Again the same process, f dash x, sin x का differentiation cos x का differentiation minus sin x. For maximum or minimum, f dash x will be equated to 0, cos x minus sin x equal to 0, cos x equal to sin x इसके नीचे आ जाएगा cos x by sin x, cot x equals to 1 and cot 45 degree is 1, so x is equals to pi by 4. After getting the value of the x, we again now find out the second order derivative of this function f double dash x equals to cos x का differentiation minus sin x और sin x का differentiation cos x. So it becomes minus sin x minus cos x. Now what is the value of the second order derivative at a point x equals to pi by 4? So what we have to do, f double dash pi by 4 minus sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4, we get minus root 2, which is a negative, and whenever the value is coming negative of the second order derivative at the point, it will be a maximum function at that point, and the maximum value at that point is calculated by putting that point in the given function. So x is equals to pi by 4 is our point. So f of pi by 4 equals to sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. That is sin 45 degree plus cos 45 degree, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2, which will equals to root 2. So maximum value of the function sin x plus cos x is root 2. Now listen carefully. Till now we have solved the maximum minima problems in which the functions are already defined. Now we come to the word problems. In first word problem we have to read the condition, go through the questions carefully, and then we have to form a function, and after getting the function we have to proceed in the same manner. That is the question number 13. Find two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. So let the two numbers be x and y. Their sum is given 24, x plus y equals to 24, and here it is asked that product must be as large as possible, that is maximum. So function of x, y, that is xy, we can convert into a single function f of x by taking the value of y from equation number 1 as 24 minus x. So I have substituted the value of y and it is converted into a single variable function x into 24 minus x, open the bracket, 24x minus x square. Now you have to proceed in the same manner. That is f dash x 24 minus 2x. For maximum or minima, f dash x equals to 0, we get x equals to 12. We will calculate f double dash second order derivative, we get as minus 2, and at x equals to 12, the second order derivative value will be same, minus 2, which is negative. Therefore the function is maxima at x equals to 12. Therefore the numbers are 12 and 12. As the first number is 12, so second number, that is y is equals to 24 minus x, this is 24 minus 12 will be 12. So both the numbers are 12 and 12. Next question number 17. It is an important question. A square piece of tin, 18 centimeter, is to be made into a box without top by cutting a square from each corner. Each corner we have to cut one square and folding up the flaps to form a box. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum possible? So it is given 18 centimeter. We have cut x all the corners side. So length will become 18 minus 2x, breadth will become 18 minus 2x, and height will be x only. So length and breadth are equal, but height is not equal, so it will be forming a cuboid. Now the volume of the cuboid is given by length into breadth into height. It becomes 18 minus 2x the whole square into x. So dv by dx product of two functions uv 18 minus 2x the whole square d by dx of x1 plus x into d by dx of 18 minus 2x the whole square 2 into 18 minus 2x into d by dx of 18 minus 2x will be minus 2. So after simplification I got 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 6x. Now for getting the maximum minimum value I have to take this dv by dx equal to 0. So I got value x equals to 9 and x equals to 3. Why here x equals to 9 I had rejected, I have to take cross sign. X equals to 9 will be rejected and x equals to 3 will be selected. But x equals to 9 it is not a negative. If it comes a negative, the side of the any polygon or any figure will never be a negative. So we can reject it. But here both the values are coming as positive. So why we should reject 9? So listen here. 18 minus 2x एक साइड है 18 माइनस 2x अगर x के जगह मैं 9 पुट करता हूं तो 2 into 9 18 18 minus 18 0 और किसी भी पॉलीगन की साइड 0 नहीं होगी. That's why I have rejected 9 and I have taken the point 3. Now after getting a point again we are differentiating, we are going to calculate the second order derivative d square b upon dx square 18 minus 2x differentiation of this will become minus 6 plus 18 minus 6x differentiation of 18 minus 2x will become minus 2. So 18 minus 6x 18 minus 2x and 18 minus 6x. Okay. So now when we are differentiating this we get minus 144 plus 24x. Second order derivative 18 minus 2x minus 6 plus 18 minus 6x minus 2. So 18 into minus 6 that will become minus 108 minus 2x into minus 6 plus 12x 18 into minus 2 minus 36 and plus 12x. So minus 144 plus 24x. And second order derivative at the value x equals to 3 we are getting a negative value. So it will be a maximum volume at x equals to 3 and the side that is possible is here x equals to 3 centimeter. Now let's come to the next question number 19. Show that of all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, the square has the maximum area. So all the rectangles which are in a fixed circle will have a maximum area. So ABCD is a rectangle inscribed in a circle. Length AB, breadth BC, center is O of a circle, and this is radius A. This is the radius A. So this complete diameter will become 2a. This is an acute angle theta. So length into breadth. To calculate the AB, how will calculate AB? In this right angle triangle AB, we can have AB upon AC is equals to that is AB upon AC base upon hypotenuse cos theta. And AB is equals to AC is our 2a, so 2a cos theta हो जाएगा. Okay, and now I have to calculate BC in the same rectangle. BC upon AC perpendicular upon hypotenuse sin theta. तो BC यहाँ पे हो जाएगा AC 2a है cos multiply 2a sin theta. So in this way we can calculate from this right angle triangle length and breadth. So length into breadth 2a cos theta into 2a sin theta 4a square cos theta sin theta. Differentiate, we get the function. Now the same process differentiating with respect to theta. 4a square coefficient u and v cos theta d by d theta of sin theta cos theta plus sin theta d by d theta of cos theta minus sin theta. So cos square theta minus sin square theta, and that is the formula of cos 2 theta. So 4a square cos 2 theta. For maximum or minimum value, now we have to equate this first order derivative equal to 0. So 4a square cos 2 theta equal to 0, cos 2 theta equal to 0. and 0 comes under cos 90 degree, cos pi by 2. When comparing the angles, 2 theta will be equal to pi by 2, theta equals to pi by 4. Now we will calculate the second order derivative. D square a upon d theta square will be minus 8a square sin 2 theta. This will become cos 2 theta का minus sin 2 theta और 2 theta का differentiation 2. So it will become minus 8a square sin 2 theta. So second order derivative at the point theta equals to pi by 4 when we have calculated here, we are getting minus 8a square, which is a negative quantity. Therefore the area is maximum at a point theta equals to pi by 4. And now we have to show that length and breadth are equal, then only it will become a square. So length equals to AB or breadth, whatever you can say, 2a cos theta, 2a cos pi by 4, root 2a, breadth भी हमारा calculate किए root 2a. Both the length and breadth are coming the values equal. Therefore, when the length and breadth are equal in case of rectangle, it will be a square. It is the most important question. Remember it. Now, question number 20, other important, surface area of a cylinder. Now, here it is given in the question number 20. Show that the right circle cylinder of given surface area. So, given surface area of a cylinder 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, and here we will calculate the h की value कैसे आएगी? S minus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r, that is our equation number 1. Such that the height is equal to the diameter of the base. Height is equal to diameter of the base, means height h must be equal to the diameter of the base, that is 2 times of its radius. So volume of a cylinder pi r square h, all the formulas related to the mensuration part we are studying from class 9th onwards. So all those formulas, cone, sphere, cylinder, everything you have to by heart, all the formulas. So volume pi r square h, pi r square h की value ये आइए इक्वेशन 1 से पुट अप करेंगे, and when we simplify we will get volume equals to 1 by 2 s r minus 2 pi r cube. Now we got this function. After getting this function, we will now proceed in the same manner as we are solving the maximum and minimum problems. So dv by dr equals to 1 by 2 d by dr of r 1 s 2 pi r cube का differentiation हो जाएगा 3 r square, it will become 6 pi r square. So for maximum and minimum calculation, we take dv by dr equal to 0, we get surface area equal to 6 pi r square. As we got the value of s is equals to 6 pi r square, in equation 1 I have substituted this value of s as 6 pi r square. So 6 pi r square minus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r, after simplification I got height is equals to diameter, that is twice of the radius. Now I have to check whether h is equal, at the height h is equals to twice of the radius or diameter. Is it maxima or minima? So for that I have to find out the second order derivative now. So d square v upon dr square will be equals to 1 by 2, s becomes constant, 0 minus 12 pi r. So d square v upon dr square at the value r is equals to h by 2, that will be negative only. If we are going to substitute r की value h by 2 भी यहाँ रखूंगा, so it will be negative value. So therefore in case of negative, that the function will be the maximum. So the volume is maximum at h is equals to 2r, that is when the height is equals to the diameter, then or twice of the radius, the volume will be maximum. Thank you.